On the Pilot, on the Passport, and the Ridgeline is the same vehicle. So this is how you're going to reset your service light. If you want to reset it, go ahead and turn the ignition on, and once that is on, you wait for your screen to come up. It's flashing because it's LED, so it's not really flashing. So you want to press the, turn the AC off. You want to press the home. Once you press home, you want to go to settings. Once you go to settings, you want to go to vehicle right here. Once you go to vehicle, you want to scroll down and you want to go to maintenance information. So let me show you, let me close this right here. It's gonna ask you to, it's gonna let you know, hey, the go to warning. Go to warning. So it's gonna tell you you need maintenance, so press maintenance information. You can see my oil light is 15% engine oil, so I'm just gonna go ahead and press that and press reset. And once I click reset, it's gonna change to, it's gonna change to 100% right there. So I change the oil and the filter. So I change oil and filter, and that's it, guys, for this one. Peace out. Please like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel. Help me help you. Let's grow together. Peace out.